Alright, so we're going to start on page 2 here. What I do need you to do is go get a colored pencil. It doesn't matter what color pencil that you're going to get, because we're going to be doing a little mapping out here. Okay? So with drawing, just so you know, practice does make perfect. Practice does make better. So one of the things I do a lot of times is I like to practice how I draw. Okay, because the better that I can draw, the better I'm able to communicate what I'm trying to say. All right, so when you're drawing, okay, I'm gonna fix this. This should be already fixed in yours. Okay, as you can kind of see, there is a couple different breakdowns on what you're going to be doing is drawing. So we're going to start with mapping it out. Mapping it out is when we take regular shapes and lines and we kind of create a skeleton. Contours, we go the outside. Cleaning it up, well, we're just taking out those guiding lines. Okay, so all we see is those beautiful lines. Details and shading and color, those are the last things that we want to worry about. Okay, so we're going to first start off by looking at this cup. All right, and we're going to map out what we see here. Now, some of our shapes that we imagine in here may not fit completely, but it's okay. All right, so I see a triangle, and I see a triangle here. Okay, and I see a line. And I want you to go through all of these, and I want you to add them in. So here, I see a circle, I see another overlapping circle, and I see another little circle here. The face, and then the chair. So go ahead right now, and I want you to map them out. By the way, if you ever need me to, you know, I may go fast. You can always pause. Okay, so now we're gonna try to see if this works. All right, so you're gonna take your maps, and you're gonna draw them lightly. Their colored pencil. Okay, we're going to put them in. Okay. Now, once we're done mapping out, then we're going to define contour. So a contour is the edge line. So sometimes these get the little hairy lines because we're trying to be very cautious. Now this one, this had a ledge in it too. So I'm going to put that in there. We're going to put the edge right here, put an edge right here, okay? Because these are main important lines that go around. Now, as I said, sometimes they're perfect, sometimes they have a little movement, all right? So let's see. We're going to put in here, here, and here, okay? And then I'm going to map around what this looks like. Now, if I freehanded that, it might have come out a little bit weirder, but the fact that I gave myself some guidelines really helped out. Okay? Where everything is. Go ahead and do the rest of them. So hopefully you have done that. Okay, now you're going to pick one of these. I'm going to happily pick my cup, and we're going to do some, actually, you know, I'm going to do my strawberry. Clean it up. This is where you go in and you get rid of those mapping lines, and you start cleaning up and you add in the details. So small details might be I didn't put in these leaves, so they need to go. Okay. Now you're probably like, well, wait a minute, that's really good. Well, all I did was I just got the right lines, okay? And then maybe I have some shading. Okay, put some shading on the bottom. All right, so I got some shading on here. And all these little details come together at the end, okay, to really make it look like what it's supposed to. Okay, so you're picking one to continue doing the rest. Okay, now Oh, you're like, that elephant is really cute. It is, okay? And what you're going to do is at some point, you're going to start imagining things. And you're going to have things in front of you. And you're going to kind of say, okay, how does this work? So in here, I can't draw on it. I can't go through and draw this. But I can imagine what this might be. I might see a circle. I might see a rectangle. Another rectangle here. Another rectangle here. And a line or a triangle. Well, same thing here. So let's try to map it out. Let's look through. So I'm going to start with imagining a circle for the body. Sometimes I do the biggest shape first and then go to small. So I got that here. Next, I'm going to put my head there. See a triangle for his nose. And then almost like it falls down. Ears, big triangle. Actually kind of like this square and a triangle. That's what it kind of looks like. There we go. The legs, long rectangles. Okay. Get one here, one here, one here. Okay. And all these little lines are going to help me with this. Oh, and the tail. It's a skinny line. Once it's mapped out, then I want you to go back in and start adding your contours. Right? You're going to notice all of a sudden things are going to start appearing. And you're going to be like, no way. Yep. How cute is this guy? Seriously cute. Okay. Alright. So my goal here is I want you to draw the elephant, okay? Put in your details. Get in some shading, okay? Remember, clean up some of these extra spaces that don't need in here, all right? And just draw the elephant. And once you're done with that, then you're really good with this page. Good job.